Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to automatically confirm ChatGPT requests on your Mac. Alright, let's begin. First, open the Settings app from your deck on Mac. Once you are in System Settings, click on Apple Intelligence and Siri in the left-hand menu. Scroll down until you see Extensions and locate the ChatGPT extension. Click on the ChatGPT extension. If you haven't set it up yet, go ahead and do that first. Once it's set up, you will see a settings screen. Look for the option labeled Siri at the bottom of the screen. Here, toggle off the option that says Confirm ChatGPT requests. After making this change, you can exit out of system settings. The next time you use ChatGPT, it will no longer prompt you for confirmation before processing your request. Instead, it will go straight to ChatGPT. For example, if I request a basic pizza recipe now, it will directly provide me with the information without any additional prompts. So that's basically how you can automatically confirm ChatGPT requests on your Mac. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.